Hello, my marvelous muses. How we doing? So tonight we're gonna do something a little different. Of course, we always do different things, right? We try to change things up a little bit. So tonight I'm gonna do this flip flop. I think I'm gonna make it into a magnet and use my tape. Try to get all this out if I could. There's like a couple wayward pieces of glitter in here. I seem to find wayward pieces of glitter all over my art room. I go to do a tumbler and I'm like, I don't want glitter on it, but no matter what I touch in here has glitter, so it like, even the tumblers that I don't want glitter on have like one little speck of glitter on them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, there's like little hearts down here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these little bitty teeny tiny flowers I got off of Temu, and I'm gonna UV resin some of those in here, and then I think I'm gonna try to color in the trees, the palm trees, and then we're going to pour the whole thing when we're done. I'm thinking about, I don't know, we'll figure out what color after we're done. I was thinking about maybe pink, but I don't know. So, first off, we're going to take some of these little flowers out here. They're pretty cute, I have to say. Little bitty teeny tiny flowers. Alright. I'm going to bend this back over here like so. Alright, let's get a few out of here. So we have some to work with here. Alright. That'll be plenty. Pretty cute, huh? Alright. So I'm going to go through here. I'm just going to put a little dollop of UV resin in each one of these hearts. And then we're going to take our tweezers here. And we're going to put let's see here. Okay. We're going to take another one of these. And it's going to go over here. Oh, not there, in this one. Okay. And let's do another. This pink one up here. Ah. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of these little bitty buds too. Little flower buds. If I can get them. I'm going to put one of them in this big one here. Alright. And let's see, what color do we want it back here at the back. What do I have two of? I have two white or two yellow. Let's do the two white. These tweezers are horrible. I don't know what I did with my ones the other night. Come on. Get in here. Get down in there, flower. You just keep wanting to come right back off. Get off of here and into there. Oh, goodness gracious, that was harder than it needed to be, right? And I think I'm going to do another little drop right up here. I think we're going to take this big pink one here. There we go. Alright. So let me grab the flashlight here. I'm going to cure these. Trying to think what color I want to do the whole shoe. There we go. Got the flowers down in there. Now what? Let's see. That's cute. See if we can get. Okay. Cure this. This is a lake green. It's a less resin colored UV resin. I thought I had a brown in it, but I don't see a brown. I don't know. Maybe I was imagining it. Okay. this. What do we want to put on it? I'm trying to think what I want to put on there. If I want to do clear, if I want to do a color. I kind of want to do clear. I don't know. Especially if I'm doing these colors and this stuff here. I might add a slight tint to it. I don't know. Thinking maybe if I do a light blue, because these aren't very dark. See, they're not very dark, but I think if I add a blue over the top of it, that'll darken those up, but you'll still be able to see the flowers. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a blue. Alright, I'll put you guys on pause. I'll mix up some blue resin and we'll be right back. Mix up some resin, we'll add the blue to it. Alright guys, I got my resin mixed up here. I don't know what I want to put in it. Part of me is thinking glitter. I thought about putting some teal glitter in it. But I think I'm going to do some color. Do we have there? Blue. Royal blue. No. Teal. There we go. I'm going to do it teal. It's by Decorum Transparent Resin Dye. Teal color. I think it's off of Walmart. Pretty sure. 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 5 drops. This stuff is pretty transparent. 5 may not even make a dent in it. Yeah, I didn't think 5 was going to do much for it. So we're going to do, probably going to do at least 3 more, maybe 4. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 2 partial ones on the sides here. There we go. I'm going to put a tiny, tiny bit of glitter in it. Let's do just a little bit of holographic here. And I mean, we're just going to do a little bit. There we go. That's it. That's it. All we're doing. If you know me, I'm holding back. See? All right. I'm not filling it all the way up to be a magnet. Doesn't need to be that full. I think it was a fresh sheet mold, if I remember right. So, all right, perfect. I have been printing like crazy today. I got my new printer. Just so y'all know, update on the printer. Got a hold of Alicia. She messaged me. She reached out to me because I tried to contact her, and we returned the old one and got a new one, and the new one's hooked up, working fabulously. I already printed off about 10 wraps for my tumblers because like I said, I'm trying to get a bunch made up for this craft sale next month. I've got just a little over a month. And my turner, I've got actually I got 3 if I wanted to hook a third one up, but I have 2 on one, so I can do 2 tumblers at a time, and I'd like to go in, if possible, I'd like to go in with about 20 tumblers. A variety. I printed out some tropical beach ones, I printed out sea turtle, mermaid, dolphins, I printed out, I've got one more Christmas one, I've got a Jewish Hanukkah one. What else do I have? I got an eagle. What else? Bee. Great big bee on a sunflower. And then I got another one that's like sunflowers along the bottom, and then it's got a gold band and black at the top. And in those water slides that I was gifted, I have there's one that says She's Sunshine with a little bit of hurricane, and it's got sunflowers on it. So I think that'd be a pretty one to go on it. Alright guys, I'm going to put you on pause. We will be back when this is cured and demold it. See how it looks. Bye. Alright, we're back. So ready to take it out here and see how it looks. See if you can still see my flowers from the other side. Alright. We ready? Oh yeah, that turned out pretty. Can't see my trees too well because the glitter all sunk, which I knew it would. But that's alright, because I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to take, because the glitter is kind of silvery color, I think I'm going to take this silver and highlight the trees with the silver. That's cute. There we go. Alright, let's do this one. And where's the other one? Oh, up here. There we go. That turned out cute. Let's see, I think it'll look good on my, if I put it on my fridge. I have a black refrigerator. See how it looks? Very pretty. Alright, so we're going to take, fairly heavy, so I'm going to say probably two magnets on the back. Get 2 magnets on the back here. Make sure I got them on the right. Okay, so yeah. So if I put it down that way. Okay, so I'm going to put them that way. And to make sure they're going to stick right. I'm going to go put it in the fridge and it not want to stay. Alright. I think I'm probably going to use E6000, so I'm not going to make you guys stick around for that. But yeah, I'm just going to put these magnets on the back. Yeah, now I dropped that one, so I don't know if it's in the right spot. The E6000 is going to take a little bit of time to dry. And I want to post a video tonight, so. There we go. Perfect. So yeah, that's going to be perfect. Like I said, I'm going to put it on my refrigerator. Turned out beautiful. Will go good in my kitchen with my teal. My kitchen's got a lot of this color here. In fact, Cody come and got the butterfly out of the room the other day, took it and put it in the kitchen. The UV resin one, so I'm going to put this on there. I have the coffee cup that I did. It's the teal coffee cup. I have it on there, so. And then my husband and I used to collect magnets from the different states we've been to, and those are on there, so. But yeah, I'm going to put this on there. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Sure helps my channel out. I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. If you're new, welcome. If you're OG, thanks for coming back, guys. Love you all. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful night. I hope your resin cures beautiful, bubble-free, the glitter doesn't sink. I hope your craft projects turn out amazing. I hope you are happy, healthy, safe, and blessed, and I will see you guys tomorrow night. Bye.